Hi, I'm Jason Cherry from Cherry Home Inspections. In my role as a professional house snoop, I often encounter knob and tube wiring. Even though many people don't really know what it is, most people know that it's a potentially bad thing. So what is it really? Before I explain what knob and tube is, let's look at regular wiring. Modern wiring for most of the circuits in your house is supplied by 14-2 wire. It's called that because it's 14 gauge wiring that contains two conductors. The black wire, which runs from the service panel to the point of use, such as a light or an outlet, and the white, which runs back to the panel, closing the circuit. These wires are all enclosed in a white plastic sheathing. There's also a bare copper wire, which is the ground wire. Any current that breaks loose due to some sort of electrical problem, such as a short, will hopefully find its way safely and quite literally to the ground. Back to knob and tube. Why is it called knob and tube? Well, knob and tube consists of two separate wires, a hot wire leading to the point of use and the neutral returning to the service panel. The wires are run separately and held by two types of ceramic insulators. Knobs, which secure the wires as they run parallel to the framing members, and the tubes, which protect the wires as they run through holes in the framing members. The hot and the neutral wires are run separately, not together, and there is no ground wire. So what's wrong with it? Firstly, it's not grounded. Any shorts in the system may use you as the easiest path to get to the ground, which may result in pain and sadness for you and anyone else involved. Also, there are fewer circuits on the system. Overloading is common since our usage of electrical devices is much more than it was back before the 40s when knob and tube was installed. And there were just fewer circuits on the system. Further, older wiring was not made to withstand the same heat as modern wires do. But don't panic. The existence of knob and tube is not always severe or catastrophic, but always consult an electrician if you have knob and tube in your home. There are a variety of ways that they can address your wiring to make sure your home is safe and sound. Contact me, Jason Cherry, at Cherry Home Inspections if you have any questions, comments, or dirty limericks for me, or any information on how to get out of this damn forest.